I'm back, and what's happening here today on Everyday Projects is we got a bit of snow right here and around the corner and some other places, and we don't normally get snow here in the wintertime. This is a rainforest here. You know, we don't often get snow, and we don't have much winter gear or anything to deal with snow. And I did dig out a pair of gloves and this jacket. I found this, but you know, I'm wearing the same hat I wear all year, and those are the boots I wear most every day. But yeah, I gotta deal with this snow, and there's a couple other things I want to do here today too. So let's go on up in the shed and look for a shovel. I think I've got a snow shovel. We don't, like I say, we never need them. So let me go up in the shed, take you with me, and see if we can find a shovel. Okay, guys. These guys are coming down for their apple, and they've already had an apple. Huh? You guys have already had your apple. You have. So let me do this. Let me look for this shovel. Because, you know, there's not a lot of snow, but you see there's some snow there that's got to be dealt with and some other stuff out front. So let's go in the shed here and see if we can find a shovel. Okay, we're in the shed. Let's look for a shovel. I don't even own one. I don't think I own a snow shovel. There's a lot of things in here, but I don't think a snow shovel is one of them. I've never had a call for one here, really. Do you guys see a snow shovel anywhere? You see anything that interests you at all in here? And yeah, I don't know. There's a bunch of projects pending here. There's an old motor here. There's a chainsaw. I got carburetors for generators. I got a battery charger taken apart here. I'm going to try and fix that. Yeah, so here it is. I don't know. I mean, got a whole bunch of stuff up in the rafters here. Oh, these old saws. Look at that. I was going to do something with that. Someday I'm going to grind those off and maybe paint on them. I've seen that done. There's another one there. So Bill over at Guys Playing with Tools, he was going to come over and try and find a nut I'd lost in the grass the other day, but I found my own magnet here now. I got my own magnet on a stick. He was going to come up from Texas with his and do that, but seems like I've got my own. Now, there is something else I want to do while I'm up here today. There's a whole bunch of people on YouTube that have sent me stickers, and I'm just the worst guy for, you know, doing shout outs and getting back to them and acknowledging that, you know, they've sent me a sticker, and I've even sent them stickers, and they put my sticker on their boards, and they've said all these great things, and, you know, a lot of the stuff I don't think I can live up to, but it's time that I put a few stickers up and give a couple of shout outs. So I think, you know, I don't have a sticker wall. There's a couple of stickers I put on a toolbox last year. One was from Grampy's Workshop, but I'm probably the worst guy with stickers. So I'm going to do a couple of shout outs right now, and I'm going to name a few people that have been instrumental in me moving forward with YouTube, because they're always there every time I post a video, and they make comments, and they're supportive, and that's what the whole community is about. And it's time I pulled my weight here. So I don't have a whiteboard, but I do have the back of the door here, and there's silly things on here, like there's instructions for my wife for when there's a power outage, how to start the generator, and there's, you know, some old serial numbers I wrote down here, and there's this thing here that's kind of faded, but it says, "I dream of a better world where chickens can cross the road without having their motives questioned." And I think I'm going to move that down, and I'm going to start putting stickers in this area. So this isn't done, but it's let me see here, maybe it is done. How can I get that off of there? Let me get that off of there, and I'll make some room here, and we're going to start do a sticker wall right here. Okay, so this is a long time in coming, but I want to thank Noel from Noel's Garden Tractors and Firewood for having sent me a sticker. He's put my sticker on his board a long time ago, a year ago. And this has been sitting in an envelope, and so I'm sorry I took so long. Noel is down in eastern Canada, and he does firewood. He's got garden tractors galore. He's got snow throwers, snow blowers, lawn mowers, and he's always out there working on something like that. And he's got a garage, and he's in there with his wood stove going. He has, and he always has a fireside chat on Sunday afternoons. He sits around the fire and tells stories. So here's the sticker from Noel's Garden Tractors and Firewood. Okay, so here's Noel's sticker. Let's put Noel right in the middle, right here. Okay, let me see on a nice smooth spot. Put it right there. There you go, Noel's Garden Tractors and Firewood. Thanks again, Noel, for all the support. And your sticker's finally on the wall. Okay, so the next one I want to do, I've got a few of them. And, one of them is from a fellow in Newfoundland, Canada, Heterogeneity Rocks. Jason sent me this again a year ago, and I haven't put it up. And he's got a variety channel. He does all sorts of things, car work, and he takes trips different places and takes us along and travels the world and does all sorts of stuff. And he's got a good sense of humor. He's always got good videos. So I enjoy the stuff Jason does. And sorry I didn't get your sticker on the wall a little earlier. But so let's put him right under Noel's right here. Let's put, okay, there's Heterogeneity Rocks. Okay, and I got more. Now, I like the outdoors, and there's this fella in Ontario, Open Air Outdoors, Mark, and I think I did put his sticker somewhere, but he's going on this wall today, and I've got a sticker from him. Mark does canoeing, outdoor cooking, adventure in the outdoors, all kinds of stuff, hunting with his dogs, you name it. Anything outdoors, it's Mark. He's got a lot of skills, and he shares a lot of that on his channel. And I really want to thank Mark for supporting my channel and being there at every turn. You know, he's there on every video, and I really do appreciate that. And I really appreciate Mark's support with the channel. There's also, I don't have a sticker, but there's a good friend of his, Doug from Pine Tree Line, who lives in the same area, Northern Ontario, Canada. And he does outdoor adventures, sometimes with Mark and often on his own, outdoor gear reviews, all sorts of stuff like that. Really good guy. So let's put Mark's sticker right there. Okay. It's starting to take shape. Anyway, I got another one here from Mike from Grampy's Workshop. He sent me a couple, and one of them's on a toolbox down there in the shop. But we're going to put Mike, let's see, let's put Mike right over here. Grampy's Workshop. Okay. Mike has a workshop, and if you haven't followed Mike, go over there and subscribe to Mike's channel. He's got a lot of stuff, works on all kinds of projects, everything from ATVs, carpentry projects. He just did a bunch of box joints on some things he was making, and he just did a whole shop renovation. He took us through and showed us the whole thing, right from putting up the panel board, painting it, and he really loves painting and stuff like that. And actually, another thing about Mike at Grampy's Workshop, if you like squirrels, you're going to want to go over there and see Mike, because he loves squirrels. He's always talking about squirrels. So get down there and subscribe to Mike at Grampy's Workshop. Okay, and now there's a lot of other people I want to mention here today, but I have one more sticker, and it's from a guy down east as well. It's from Kenny at Open Air Adventure. Now, Kenny and I exchanged stickers here just in the last month or so, but I've been following his channel for a while, and he's been following mine, and he's always there. Again, he does a lot of firewood. Goes out with different types of chainsaws with his buddy and an old case tractor into the woods, and shows us everything about harvesting firewood. And then he's got other projects around his shop he does, and he's got a nice fireplace there, and he always, is the kind of guy that will take you, aside and give you a drink of whiskey and talk to you and tell stories. So Anyway, so here's Kenny's sticker, and we're going to put that up as well. Now, the thing is not always, but when I, when I send out my own stickers to people, sometimes I send a gift. And for Kenny, I sent a really expensive gift, actually, something sort of out of character for me. But what I sent was sort of the instructions on how to get to a vault where I put all this expensive stuff in, and I wrote him a letter, and I explained to him how to get there. And so if you guys haven't seen that, he gave me a shout out on his channel just the other day. So go over and look at Open Air Adventure for shout out he did for everyday projects, and you'll see just what was included in that vault of stuff that I sent him. So you're going to go right up here, Kenny, right at the top for now. Okay, now these are all good channels. I didn't put them in any order of preference. These are people that have supported me, and I support them, and I'm really glad to know all of them virtually through YouTube. And I'll get a better look at them here. There they are. Okay, so those stickers are on the door now, and maybe I'll do some more exchanges with some other people. I was going to list a number of other channels here today, and it's just too exhaustive. I don't want to name some and leave some out, because I don't want to do that to anybody. But there are a lot of channels that I follow. There's a lot of people that follow me. And for all of you that didn't get a mention here today, I want to let you know that I appreciate all of you. And I do want to thank everybody that's subscribed to my channel. And hopefully I can keep providing content that you find interesting. Now, I still have to move that snow, so let me look and see if I can find the shovel. Okay, let's take a look here, guys. Let's see if we can find the shovel. Okay, I got to get this snow moved. Thanks for watching today. A big thank you to all my subscribers and to all the people that sent stickers. Sorry it took so long for me to get everything up on the board for you, but there they are. And thanks for watching, like I say, and we'll see you again here very soon on Everyday Projects. Bye for now. Now I got to move that snow.